Are you still using ChatGPT for everything? Coding, images, research, probably for your grocery list, and also for the emotional support due to recent breakup. No judgment, just concern. Because you are leaving 80% of AI power on the table. The top 5% of people are not loyal to one application. They have built a framework. Once you understand the system, you suddenly become superhuman in your industry. Let's start. And the spoiler alert, the answer is no more ChatGPT. These frameworks contain four fundamentals. Most people talk to AI the way they talk with search engines, vaguely, hopefully, slightly desperate. This is basically throwing some words at screen and hoping miracles to happen. So let's take the example. Same AI, same model, now we are on ChatGPT. Two prompts. We will see how these two prompts are going to behave. The prompt 1, write a proposal to client. And yes, technically it will give you a proposal, but it is generic, blunt, full of placeholders. It could be for a dental clinic or a defense contractor or a lemonade stand with a big ambitions. The AI did not know, so it wrote for everybody, which means it wrote for no one. This is what most people get. Then they blame AI. Now the prompt 2, write a 200-word business proposal introducing for a digital marketing agency pitching into mid-size e-commerce brand. The client is hesitant because they were burned by agencies before. The tone should be confident but not salesy. Match the voice in the sample. Same AI, completely different result. Not because the model changed, because the instructions changed. That gap between weak output and useful output is the language of command. वही हाथ वही मिट्टी लेकिन जो बनाया वो masterpiece था. Google already mapped this into its prompt engineering course and they called it as TCREI. T for task, C for context, R for reference, E for evaluate, and I for iterate. Sounds simple, right? But they work like a system. So we are going to explore what is this TCREI framework is going to do for our prompts. The first one, task, means clarity. Don't say, write me an email, that is vague. Instead of that, write in this way. Write a 150-word apology email for a missed deadline. It has to be sent before noon. Now the AI has something to work upon. The second one, context. Context really change everything. Without context, AI will guesses. And when AI guesses, you will get most confident, average answers imaginable. Do not say missed deadline. Instead of say, this is a loyal client of 5 years, it is the second delay in this month. The relationship is at risk. Now the stakes are clear and the output changes. And the third one, references. References are the most skipped one and most powerful. Don't say make it casual but professional, but warm but not too warm. This will confuse the models. Instead of paste something you already wrote and say match this tone exactly. Now it exactly sounds like you, not like a robot trained on a privacy policy. AI can get about 80% of tasks, but 20% are still in your hands. You need to evaluate because AI can make up the things very easily. So you need to do the fact check, and also if the facts are not proper, you need to iterate the process again. The second fundamental, right weapons for the right wars. Using ChatGPT for everything is like going to war with one weapon and wondering why some battles are going bad. Every tool has a range. Using outside the range, and the problem is not the tool. The problem is you are asking something it was never built for. Just take example of a content creator who is using one tool for everything, like for writing, images, research, planning, and ideas. The output is okay, but never great. But if you split the work, like writing says in the Claude, research moves to perplexity, images go to mid journey. Same hours, but suddenly you will see a remarkable change in the output. AIs are broadly divided into four categories. The first one is reasoning engine. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. This is your thinking partners. Logic, writing, coding, summarizing. They will do all this stuff. The second one, research engines. Perplexity, Notebook LM. Use these when being wrong is not an option because these applications have the access to real live web. The third one, specialists. Midjourney for images, 11 Labs for audio, Cursor for coding. Built for one thing, amazingly at that one thing. Using one generic tool for everything is like using a spoon to cut bread. Yes, technically possible, but why would you? And then the fourth one are automators. Zapier, Make, N8N. These tools do not create, they connect. If you are manually moving the same information between the same apps every day, then you have accidentally built yourself a job nobody hired for. Four weapons, four wars. Match them properly, and the whole battlefield will change. Fundamental 3, remove yourself from loop. Most people still use AI like a chatbot, and now you can actually build your own agents. If you want to build a custom agent, use tools like Make, Zapier, N8N, or VoiceFlow. You set the rules, connect the tools, and it runs. If you want something ready right now, use pre-built agents like Perplexity, Gemini Deep Research, ChatGPT Operator, Agent GPT. A chatbot waits for you. You ask, it answers. You still do the work. An agent is different. It seeks the task, it decides, and it acts. So ask yourself one question. What task is eating your time every single day? This is the first loop you should remove. Fundamental 4, own the engine. For a long time, the story was simple. A few companies held the key. If you want to access this power of AI, you need to subscribe to the apps. Like that is what the Cloud is doing, ChatGPT is doing, even Perplexity is doing. They have put subscriptions for their recent models. But in early 2025, the DeepSeek has been released, which is very powerful, which is open source. That means that particular AI will run on your own mission by using Olama. What are the advantages? Your data will not flow into the internet. Whatever you are doing will be stored internally in your laptop. If you are actually asking any kind of questions that may be in incognito mode to the chat GPTs which are privately maintained, still those apps have access to your personal data. Here is the quick recap of four fundamentals. The first one, the language of command. Second, right weapons for right wars. Third one, remove yourself from the loop. Fourth one, own the engine. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this content, please like, subscribe and comment your views in the comment box. Thank you so much. Signing off, Lalit Aditya.